A JE advanced question appeared in sequences and series. Sn is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to 4n minus 1 power k into k plus 1 by 2 times k square. Then Sn can take 1056, 1088, 1120, 1332, a multiple answer question. Let's see, more than one option correct type. So we have a summation of 4n terms. So we will substitute k is equal to 1, 2, 3 to understand what is the nature of the terms. When I put k is equal to 1, the power becomes 1 into 2 by 2, which is 1. So I will get minus 1 square, minus 1 square. When I put k is equal to 2, it is 2 into 3 divided by 2, which is an odd number. So it is minus 2 square. When we put k is equal to 3, it is 3 into 4, 12 by 2, which is 6. So it becomes positive 3 square. When we put k is equal to 4, it becomes 4 into 5, 20 by 2, 10. So it will become plus 4 square. So we can see some kind of a pattern. So next set of terms are minus 5 square, minus 6 square, plus 7 square, plus 8 square, minus 9 square, minus 10 square, plus 11 square, plus 12 square. There are going to be 4n terms. 4n terms of this sort. Now let us try to segregate the terms based on their behavior. So first we will group 1 square, 5 square, 9 square, because the bases are in a AP. So we'll pull out a minus sign. We get a 1 square plus 5 square plus 9 square, etc. These are n terms. And then second bracket we will put 2 square, 6 square, 10 square with a minus sign. Minus of 2 square plus 6 square plus 10 square, etc. Then in the next bracket we'll take 3 square, 7 square, 11 square with a plus sign. 3 square, 7 square, 11 square, and so on. Then lastly we have 4 square, 8 square, 12 square, etc. So this is 4 square plus 8 square plus 12 square, and so on. So each bracket comprises of n terms. So 4 brackets will be summing up to 4n terms. Let's take a general term. Let me write it as sigma k is equal to 1 to n. The first set, the bases are in AP 1, 5, 9, etc. The kth term is going to be 1 plus k minus 1 into 5, which is going to be 1 plus, general term is going to be 1 plus k minus 1 into 4. So this is going to be 4k minus 3. So the first term is going to be 4k minus 3 the whole square with the minus outside. Next one is going to be, the bases are 2, 6, 10, etc. So it is going to be 2 plus k minus 1 into 4. That is, it's going to be 4k minus 2. 4k minus 2 the whole square. Next one is going to be, only this is going to change. Instead of 2, it is going to be 3. So it is plus 4k minus 1 the whole square, and lastly it is going to be 4k the whole square. Each term will give rise to n terms. Together they will give rise to 4n terms. So let's open the brackets inside the sigma notation and see if we are able to cancel some terms. So the first term will become minus 16k square minus 9, 2 4s are 8 3s are 24 plus 24k. The next set of terms is going to be minus 16k square minus 4, 2 4s are 8 2s are 16 plus 16k. The next, when I open the bracket, this one, it will give me plus 16k square minus 8k plus 1. Then lastly we have a 16k square, everything within the summation. So we can cancel a minus 16k square plus 16k square, and then let us see what we are left aside with. I have a 24k plus 16k, 40k minus 8k. So we have a 32k. Coming over to the constant, minus 9 minus 4 plus 1, minus 13 plus 1, minus 12. So the given series of 4n terms is nothing but k is equal to 1 to n, 32k minus 12. So our Sn is as simple as sigma k is equal to 1 to n, 32k minus 12. Let's use the appropriate formula here. So it is going to be 32 times n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, minus 12 will get added up n times, so minus 12n. So I can cancel this. Then I can open the bracket. We get 16n square plus 16n minus 12n, which is going to be 16n square plus 4n. I think we can simplify this as 4n into 4n plus 1. So this is our Sn. So what is our understanding? Any Sn should always be a multiple of 4 into 1 more than a multiple of 4. A multiple of 4 into 1 more than a multiple of 4. Now let's look at the options. The first one is 1056. Option A is 1056. Can this be Sn? N has to be a natural number. This 1056 lies between 30 square and 40 square. It lies between 900 and 1600. So between 30 and 40 there are only two multiples of 4. One is 32, other is 36. So either it should be 32 into 33 or it should be 36 into 37. So let's try 32 into 33. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 6, 9, 6, 15, 1056. Yes, 1056 can be a sum of how many terms? 4n is 32, so n is equal to 8 terms. It can be a sum of 8 terms. Next one is going to be what are the other options? So let me just try 30. The other only possibility is, see, all the numbers here are lying between 900 and 1600. All options are between 900 and 1600. So they should be only 32 into 33, which is 1056. The other only option should be multiple of 4 is 36 into 37. Let's find out what is 36 into 37 and then choose the appropriate option. 7 6 are 42, 4 7 3s are 21, 25, 6 3s are 18, 1 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 2 13, 3 1332. Let's check if 1332 is an option. Yes. So 1332 is an option. 1056. These are the only sums which can be expressed as a multiple of 4 into 1 more than a multiple of 4, and that is how your Sn should look like. So the options are option A and option D. So it's a more than one option correct type. We are given Sn which doesn't have a regular pattern. Certain terms are prefixed with the minus sign, certain terms are prefixed with the plus sign. So we have grouped them according to signs. Then we tried to segregate them and get a pattern and then find out sigma k is equal to 1 to n, and then we see that there is a specific way Sn should look like. It should look like 4n into 4n plus 1, a multiple of 4 into 1 more than a multiple of 4. So if you see, all these numbers are between 900 and 1600. That means they should be between 30 to 40. So a multiple of 4 between 30 and 40 is 32. So either it should be 32 into 33, which is precisely option A, or it should be 36 into 37, which is going to be 1332. So the answers to this question are option A and option D.